I lost my fur. I lost my small size. I lost my bug.
That was sick, right? That was all done by AI. These types of shorts are going crazy viral right now. This channel, for example, is doing a great job at making those shorts. It is called Zaki Fusion. They have over 76,000 subscribers, and they have accumulated over 21 million views. When we take a look at their social blade, we can see that they are estimated to make almost $2,000 to $340,000 a month. That doesn't sound bad, right? And all they do is hopping on a new viral YouTube Shorts trend, so you want to be able to get those views and money too. Well, you are in luck because, hey there, and how are you doing? In this video, I am going to show you how you can create your very own AI animal Ancestor shorts and go viral. And if you are smart and watch the entire video, I will even show you how you can outperform the competition with a new thing to add to these shorts. So, are you excited? Well, let's dive right in. First of all, let's examine and analyze their animal Ancestor short with over 4.8 million views. Okay, that is enough. I know what they are doing. They simply show a slideshow of images with each a duration of 2 seconds. These images contain a modern-day animal looking at his old ancestor from prehistoric times. The ancestor is also looking a bit bluish and ghostly. In the middle, there is always a text with "I lost my," and then the thing that they've lost over time, like their size or fur. As the background music, they use the music from The Lion King. I find this very fitting because it is the music exactly from the scene where Simba is looking up into the sky at his father. Okay, now we need to first come up with the image prompt so we can generate the images. So first we are going to take a screenshot of one of the images, form the short like this, and now crop the screenshot like this. Now we are going to open Chat-GPT and ask the following. I want to make a YouTube short and you need to give me some text and image prompts. There should be about me showing a slideshow of images. These images show a temporary animal looking at its prehistoric equivalent. And then there is a text saying, "I lost my..." I will attach an image for you so you know what I'm looking for. Also in terms of the image prompt and image style. So yeah, please give me 14 image prompts for 14 different temporary animals looking at their prehistoric self from the past, and the text, "I lost my..." If you have any questions, please ask. Be sure to study the image I will attach thoroughly. And now add the screenshot image. Look at that. That is in itself amazing. Because we now have 14 different animal combinations with their ancestors, plus the "I lost my" text, and yes, we've also got an image prompt for each of them. But guys, I can already tell you that this image prompt is very weak, and yes, I generated it, and it looked bad. So I talked to Chat-GPT again and again to change it and refine the image prompt. And guys, it really took half an hour of generating the images and talking to Chat-GPT to finally get the perfect image prompt for these kind of images. And the prompt goes like this. For the elephant and mammoth, a modern elephant with smooth grey skin stands in a misty, dark forest, gazing up at a towering, ghostly, woolly mammoth with a blue, semi-transparent glow. The mammoth appears as a giant spectral presence with its shaggy fur illuminated in a soft bluish light, creating a mystical yet dramatic scene. The forest is dimly lit, with fog swirling around. I will put this prompt in the description so you do not need to worry about talking for half an hour with Chat-GPT. You only need to change the animals. And do not forget to add the vertical aspect ratio, so 9:16. And yeah, you could use Leonardo AI to generate the images because it is free and you can generate a lot of images there. Or you could use Ideogram. That one is also not bad, but you can only generate like 10 images. But since I have a Midjourney subscription, I am going to generate the images there. Watch me generate all the images. Now upscale them and then download the images to your computer. Before we are going to cook up our video in a video editing software, we are going to download this short. I'm going to use the 4K video downloader, but you can obviously use any other free-to-use YouTube downloader out there. Why did we download this? Well, now we can inspect the video even better when we drag it into CapCut. Okay, nice. Now I know a bit more, and I know that they show each image 2 seconds. So let's delete that video and go to the CapCut settings. Now go to Edit and make sure that the image duration is set to 2 seconds and press Save. Now we can drag and drop all the animal images in the playlist like this. Rearrange them in any order you prefer. Now next we are going to add the I lost my text. Go to Text and add a new text block. Now write the text Chat-GPT gave us for each animal combination. Now choose this preset style, for example, and resize and reposition the text the way you like it. Now copy and paste the text everywhere and change the text accordingly. Now select the first image and the first text and do a right click and press Create Compound Clip. Do this also for the second and so go. To do this even faster, you can also select the objects and then press Option G. But the shortcut can be different for you. Be sure to click here on Shortcuts to see what your shortcut is for creating compound clips. Now go to Transitions and search for black. Now we are going to add this black fade transition to each connecting clip and expand the transition length. This is the same transition all the viral shorts are using. Now you could go to Effects and add cool effects, but that is all up to you. Now I'm going to show you how you can stay ahead of your competition, because I had the novel idea to add a voiceover to this video. So go to Chat-GPT and write in the Sam chat something along the lines of, "Please give me all the text with 'I lost my top.' I want to be able to read it out loud smoothly." Now we have our narration text. Copy that text, because now we are going to use 11 Labs, an amazing AI text-to-speech generator. Go there and go to their voice library to pick the best voice. Since I have plenty of voices, I am going straight to the text-to-speech section. Now paste the text in the text box and press Generate.
I lost my fur. I lost my size. I lost my strength.
That is amazing. Now download it and add it to CapCut. Now we are going to add an effect to it. Click on Voice Changer and now add a nice voice filter. For example, the widespread is amazing. Now cut the text in parts like this. If you do it like this, there is also a bit of a pause so the voice filter can take effect. Now put each voice block there where it belongs. Now for the background music, we can simply drag the viral short and extract the audio and use their audio. Yes, we can use copyrighted music in YouTube Shorts, but let's say you want to use copyright-free music. Well, just search for great music in the YouTube audio library. Search, for example, for dramatic, epic, cinematic music. I downloaded this one. Now add it and resize the music and also adjust the volume if needed. Now, last but not least, we are going to add some filters to give it a cool and mystical overall vibe. When you are done, export your video in 4K. Before I am going to show you the end result, let me do the outro. And that's it. Now it's up to you. Create your very own AI animal ancestor shorts and go viral. Have a lot of fun. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss another Mr. Lemon video. See you in the next video. Bye. Here is the end result.
I lost my fur. I lost my small size. I lost my bulk. I lost my height. I lost my height. I lost my size.